It looks painful, but this is important preparation for hunting. Each family member has its own unique way of doing it. Some more thorough than others. Next, it's time to hunt. Low-light cameras can see their nocturnal world. Each night, tarsiers must eat 1/10 of their body weight in insects. From the safety of his home tree, the 5-week-old watches on as the adults hunt. There's lots to learn. He must master his satellite dish ears, moving each one independently to pick up tiny sounds in the dark. Next, he must learn to tilt his head to judge distance. And there's one final lesson. At family mealtimes, it's first come, first served. It's time for the family to venture deeper into the forest. Filming the family deeper in the forest than ever before, we can now see the secret way tarsiers keep their young safe through the night.